So welcome everybody. So in this tutorial I want to show you how I made this particular design. This is a template that I've already uploaded to the Canva library, yet to be approved, but immediately it's approved you're going to see it, or maybe probably you'll see it by this time when you're watching the video. So these are the elements that I use in coming up with this design, and I just want to show you how I put them together to create this awesome flyer. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sashibinamago. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. If you find this video helpful at the end, please like, and so that I can make more videos like this. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the tutorial proper. So what we need to do first is I want to duplicate this because I will also give you this element so that you can practice along in case you want to just get your hands on how to make it yourself. So you're going to have this as a template so that you can actually practice along. So I have this one here. So I'm just going to place this one at the end and look at the elements. So first thing I'm going to do is bring in this one and I'm going to make it big. I'm going to replace it with the background because I really want it to fill the background. Now we have it this size. Okay. Another way you can do that, let me Ctrl Z. So just select it and just place it so that it fills this entire page. Then I'm going to make a copy of it, okay, and place it on same position, but this one I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so while the background is being removed, I'm going to bring in this one, okay, and I'm going to make this one big. I'll place it here. Okay, so what I can do now is to go into position and just drag it behind this one. Okay, now this one, the background has been removed, so we have it transparent. So what we can do now, if I move this one, let me see this one now, you can see that it's just on top of it like that. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z so that it goes back to same position. So I'm going to bring in let me bring in this small right up. Okay, you can drag this one into it, resize this. I'm going to position this one here. The font is Poppins, in case you're wondering, and the size is 15.6. Okay, so I want to change the color to be white. Okay, in case you're wondering what the spacings are, look at the numbers here: -7, -49, and the line spacing is 1.2, 1.12. Okay, and the character spacing is -49. Okay, just take note of that. So let's bring in the last element, which is her name. It's a fictional design though. And we're just going to place it here. For this one, the font that I use is called Heading Now. Heading Now 61 to 68. Okay, that's it. And I'm using the lighter version, not the bold. Okay. And for the spacing here is 101 and 091. Okay. Take note of the spacing because spacing, both line spacing and character spacing makes a whole lot of difference. Okay, especially in your typography. Okay, I'm going to make this one to be white also. Oh, I made this gradient here. Let me use it so that I can show you. Here we have the white and the white. Okay, this one, the S code is this one, which is hash E4 E4 E4. Okay, E4 E4 E4. Okay, then this other one is pure white. Okay, which is FFFF. Okay, cool. So what we have now is this. I'm just going to scale this one a little bit down, and we're done. Okay, so you're going to get this. If you want templates, if you want this exact template, you can just follow me on my Canva page. The link is in the description so that you can get access to the template in case you want to use it for your design. And if you want to practice along, I'm going to share the elements here as a template in the description too so that you can practice along. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe so that I can make more beautiful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.